guys and gals. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, it's first impressions, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting this for so long, and then like it came up in the Black Friday sales and I thought, gotta get it. So obviously you'll know what it is by the title, but yes, today I'm going to be using the Carnival Free palette by Bperfect Cosmetics with Stacey Marie. How'd you say, I'm like obsessed with Stacey Marie. Like, she's from Doncaster like me, and I'm just like, if she can make it, why can't I? But her looks are like to die for, and I've never had any of her palettes, so this is the first one, and I thought I'll get this one because this was the one that caught my eye the most. So yes, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So obviously I've already done my brows and I've prepped my lids. I've used the W7 Eye Power Primer. I think I'm gonna do some swatches. Obviously it's not like a review because like there's gonna be so many reviews. It's just gonna be like my first initial impression. And like I said, I've never, you know, used any of the other palettes, so I can't really compare, but you know, if you're wanting to get this palette, then if you're watching this, then hopefully I can make your mind up. Well, help you make your mind up. So if you don't know, this is the palette. It just looks so pretty. So I think I'm gonna swatch some shades. I'm gonna swatch the shade Tahiti, this like lilac here, and then swatch that on my arm. Not bad. I think I'm gonna swatch this shade Reef. It's like turquoisey greeny blue. Obsessed. Love it. Oh, wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna swatch a shimmer, and you know which one I'm gonna swatch? I don't know which one I'm gonna swatch. I think I'm gonna swatch Blue Moon because it's like a purple, and you know I'm obsessed with purple, so let's do it. Oh, you're joking. You are joking. That's just a finger swatch. Finger. Why do I keep saying that? Finger, not finger. Okay, I don't want to swatch anymore. I just want to put it on my eyes now. So I was talking to my friend, and I was like, oh, I don't know which colours to use when I test it, and she said definitely go for the green, so that's what I'm doing today. I think I'm gonna just go in straight in with it, and I'm gonna go into the shade Forest, which is this dark green here, and I'm just gonna pat it here. Okay, pigment, how you doing? I honestly don't know what I'm actually doing, like I'm literally just winging it. Well, anyways, I'm working with greens. I'm just dipping back in. Oh, these build up so nice, even though you could probably get away without building them up. What is going on? I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it in my inner corner too. And then I'm gonna take the shade Tropics, which is this green here. And I'm just gonna blend out the edges. So pigmented. Ooh, I like that. These are blending out like a dream. I'm just like low-key obsessed, I'm not even gonna lie. That blended out so nicely. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in with that darker green and then blend it out once again, and then, you know, but these shadows build up so nicely as well. And then back in with that lighter green, blend, curve it. I've got TikTok songs in my head. I can't get over how good these shades blend. The thing is, right, I got this palette yesterday and I thought, right, I'm not filming until today, and it was so hard not to do a look, not to play or swatch it, but I did, because I wanted everything first on camera and I just wanted to film it today. So I did well, and I'm so glad I waited, because look. Okay, so now I'm gonna get another fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this green here, Key Lime, it's like a neon green, and I'm gonna basically kind of get it through on the edges. I'm literally just winging it. I want to add a bit of this colour in somewhere, just a little pop. I think it just really blends the colours out. Oh yeah, I like that. Thing is, I don't know how well you can see it on camera because I'm just filming on my phone, but in person I'm a little bit obsessed, I'm not gonna lie. Do you know what, I might wing it out. You know, after all that, I might wing it out. No, I'm not, I won't. Because every look I do, I end up wigging it out, and you know, it's nice to have a change. I'm so tempted. I think it's because as well, I could never do them like blown out winged looks without having to clean it up and make it look like just a sharp line. But now I've kind of got the hang of it, I want to do them all the time. This neon, you can say I'm slime. Stop it. Yeah, I do like, oh, I'm obsessed. I'm going to take a small blending brush though. I'm going to go back in that darker green, and then I'm going to mix it with the Tropic shade as well, and then just really go ham inside, just to give it an extra blend, just to make sure there's no like lines. And then I'm going to go back in and just keep blending it out, and then I'll be back. So I really want to use the Tatty Green Shimmer Glitter Press, whatever it is. And Stacey said on her live the other day that it's best to have like a clear sticky instead of concealer underneath. So I'm going to take some glitter glue, just a little bit, and put it on my lid, because that's where I want it to go. And then just put the glue where I've got no makeup as well. It's just going to be placed somewhere, like I'm not doing it precisely, otherwise I would have cut the crease, but yeah. And then I'm going to dip into this Tatty Green, this shimmer. Oh, are we ready? I don't know if to swipe or tap. Are you seeing this? I think I just need a minute to I don't even know. I need to process this. Like, I can't get it. I have never had a shimmer go on that good with a brush without wetting the brush. Are you joking? I'm low-key obsessed. You know what? Just to add a little bit, I'm going to do it with my finger. I want to slightly bring it up so it's kind of like this spotlight eye, I think. God. Christmas vibes, looks like a Christmas tree. I've got a Christmas tree in my eye, guys. Okay, low-key obsessed. So I'm gonna go in with that dark green and then just kind of like tap around so it's kind of like all blended together. It's not just harsh lines. You know what I mean? I'm not swiping because usually when you swipe, the shimmer will like go everywhere and you've just got like shimmer bits all over your lid. So if you tap in, you're not really moving the shimmer as much. Obsessed with you. I'm gonna do the other eye of camera real quick and then, yeah, because I don't want this video to be like really long. Look, you can still see like swatch. So I've done my other eye and my base, so I'm just gonna go under. So I'm gonna take the same packing brush with the dark green shade Forest. I'm gonna go as close to the waterline as I can. Take a small blending brush and take that Tropics and that neon green. I'm going to blend that out. And then I'm going to take a small brush and get that shimmer. I'm going to pop that in the middle, like so. And I also want to put it in a corner. Just so slightly, like that. And that is the finished look. So I just popped on some lashes. I used the Suso Lashes X Stunny Dyer. And then I put the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline on my lips. So yeah, that's the finished look, guys. So let's just talk about my final thoughts. So this palette is well worth the money. I'm so glad I got it even in sale, but it's worth every single penny. I mean, just look. I didn't want to do it too fancy because I just really wanted to just like, you know, see how the shades blend and stuff. But I'm definitely going to be using this palette a lot. So I'll probably do some more videos on it. Maybe even do like a free looks one palette series. Start with this one maybe. I could maybe do it like with every single palette I own. Quite good, wouldn't it? But yeah, I am loving the look. I'm loving the palette. The shades are just beautiful. They're so pigmented, they blend so nice together. I haven't got a bad thing to say about it at all. And I'm not being biased because I love Stacey. It's a really good palette. I cannot wait to use other colours, but I thought, you know, I was tempted to go purple because, you know, purple's my favourite colour. It's my hair was a mess at the minute, it needs washing. But yeah, I'm so happy I got this palette because I've been eyeing it up for the longest time and I'm like, But yeah, I am so obsessed with the palette. Amazing, like even just down to the packaging, it's so stunning. The shades are so beautiful. Even the shimmers are like amazing. Like I didn't even have to wet my brush. But I also went over my finger as well, but you saw. Everything that I said, all my reactions were real. They were genuinely my first impression. Yeah, I am so happy with this palette. I love it so much. It's probably gonna be like one of my new favourites. Bold statement, but so yeah, let me know your thoughts on the palette. If you've got the palette, do you like it? You know, anything you don't like about it? Are you thinking about buying this palette? Have I helped you made your mind up? Or are you still like, or are you just wanting to get the palette anyway? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media, all of them linked down below. And also I upload every Wednesday and Sunday, so press the little bell near the subscribe button if you don't want to miss a video from me, because I am posting regular again. Like, I had a bit of a break, but I'm back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.